Hi guys, I hope you're all having a great Christmas, and we're just going to make that a little bit greater now. So this is the Learn Electronics Repair Christmas and New Year giveaway, sponsored by those really nice people at AlienTek, and we have 3 prizes for you to win here. So let's have a look at what we're going to be giving away. And for third prize, we have one of the AlienTek LT1 Smart LCR tweezers. I reviewed this one a few days ago. In fact, I've reviewed all of these items so you can see them on my channel. So these are LCR tweezers. You can use them to measure resistors, capacitors, inductors, diodes. They have a continuity mode. You can measure voltage. You can even use this as a signal generator. It's just a really nice tool, this one. I found it was particularly good at measuring very low value resistors and capacitors, and for that matter inductors, which some of these things actually struggle with. I liked this one. So one of you lucky guys is going to win the tweezers. This competition is open to everybody, everywhere, and you will have a brand new product shipped directly to you from AlienTek. We also have to give away the AlienTek T90A Smart Soldering Iron. So this is a C210, or if you like T210 type soldering iron, small, portable. You can run this from a power bank or a PD power supply. Again, I reviewed these soldering irons a few weeks ago. They worked very, very well. So I'll link that review to this video in the description if you want to have a closer look. But we have one of these up for grabs. Again, you will receive a brand new one shipped directly from AlienTek. So a nice second prize we have there. And for first prize, we have an AlienTek DM40A multimeter. I reviewed the DM40 range also. In fact, I like this multimeter so much. I now use this all the time on my repair videos. This replaced my Fluke. That's how good it is. So one of you lucky people out there is going to win one of the DM40A multimeters. Again, a brand new one shipped direct from AlienTek. So that's what we have up for grabs. This soldering iron you see here, this is actually the T90C, different style tip, but basically the same type of soldering iron. So yours will definitely be the T90A. And the same with the multimeter. This is my DM40C. Yours will be the DM40A. So I'm sure you would like to know, how can you enter? Well, that is really, really simple. So all you need to do is post a comment on this video saying, I want to win. Okay. The competition is open to all channel subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, please just hit subscribe, and then your entry will be valid. The competition will then stay open until midnight on January the 3rd. That is midnight UK time, London, UK, just to save any confusion. Any entries after midnight GMT, as it is called, 3rd of January, will be ignored. They will not be valid, so please enter before then. And as I will just point out once more, that is midnight London UK time. The reason for this is because on the 4th of January at 5 PM UK time, we're going to have the prize draw. So I need a little bit of time to just collate all the entries, make sure there are no duplicate entries, and then the prize draw will be at 5 PM on the 4th of January on the live stream. Okay, it will be on that live stream. That lasts between 5 and 7 PM, so sometime during that 2 hours we'll have the prize draw. Everybody will be able to see that this was completely above board. Okay, everybody has an equal chance to win, and the winners will be announced on the live stream. But I appreciate not everybody can make the live stream, depending what time zone you're in, for instance. So I will also announce all the winners on this channel. So I wish good luck to all of you who enter. 3 of you are going to be very lucky. And for those who are not quite lucky enough to win, well, there might be just some special offer on as well on the 4th of January, okay, for all those who entered but just didn't win. So it really is as simple as that, guys. Once again, I'd like to thank AlienTek for making this possible, and I'd like to wish good luck to everybody who enters the competition. Let's find out who wins early in 2026. Ciao for now, guys.